Got the boom pump. Boom pump. We have all of the steel columns up in the air. Plumbing encased with the sand. It's some dimension on center, I don't know. 16 inches, 18 inches, something like that. I don't know where the beginning's at. This is the site. Look, they already got their framing trusses. As soon as we're done pouring the slab, that gives the framers the green light to start throwing all the framing up. Before New Year's, maybe? I don't know. But obviously we got the pump here today. Let's start, Marvin. We're back. What in the flip are you doing?
You figure out why we're taking this apart?
I don't know why we're taking that apart. I really don't. Maybe we just sucked, I guess, at the first time.
Should I take these out?
Yeah, I think that's what Isaiah's doing. Juice left. Setting the last couple screed pins.
There's a door right there too.
Huh?
There's a door right there.
Oh, for that.
The door there is the door over there.
For that nice, that 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
Time I really wish I had my body or the body strap, but I don't have it today. I don't even have my stick. I'm the worst vlogger in the world. I said it was right here. Aha. Got my 1/4 inch edger. 1/4 inch edger for the glass areas and for the doorway. Where did I put my flow? Drains are a good spot for setting up your GoPro because they're just basically like they're little tripod areas basically to me. Nice little 1/4 inch. Nice little 1/4 inch. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're at the halfway point. Service has been so-so. It's already 9 o'clock. We started at 6:30, so we should be on the ground by 11, is my guess. We're just touching it up on the edges, making sure it's flat. No more milk. That's it. There you go. Process. I didn't mean to hurt Fernando. That wasn't my intent. I didn't want to hurt him. But this, put on top of that. This, on top of that. Look at that. See that? That's rain. What's up? What's up? So why are we going back to the hotel, Sergio? Tell Cammy why we're going back.
Because the Bernal's fucked up, that's why.
No, we're leaving a day early. I'm not staying tomorrow. So now we gotta go back to the hotel and grab all of our stuff.
Yes.
And it's raining. Get the conditions. It's raining and I have no fuel. Look at this. 50 miles. And we'll make it. You know your way back?
Yes.
I did my first live today on YouTube. Right, Serge? Serge, tell the people. Tell the people.
This is fucked up because it's raining and we have our mud sitting on the ground. Go live on YouTube.
I'm not going live. Let's see if the rain can pick it. Can you see the rain?
Yes.
What did you order us?
We ordered you guys
Are we gonna do a food review?
yes.
We're gonna test the food out here in El Centro.
We're gonna go test food tasting.
What's the place called? You know what's the place called?
La Fonda. La Fonda.
Put right here the Google reviews. Put it in my hand. When I go to edit, put the Google reviews in my hand right here. Okay? Now what's it called? The phone?
La Fonda.
La Fonda. La Fonda's reviews. Wait, what? Right here. Right here in my hand. There, here are the reviews.
Please, rain, stop!
But at least we're getting out of here today. Following you. It's like I'm your cameraman. I'm your cameraman, dude.
We're gonna take a little dessert for the guys.
What dessert? What dessert? Get the fruit one. Yogurt.
Go get the drink. Then we're gonna jump in front of people.
Should I get in line now?
Grab two of those.
Oh, watch out for the people, Serge. Those aren't cold. Those aren't cold.
What are those then? Grab two of them. Either you grab them or you.
I got two. Excuse me. Pardon me. Oops. I bet. Serge.
Gosh, you're a mess.
You see this? What are we doing, Serge? Besides causing chaos in the middle of a cardi mess. I'm gonna go reverse.
Oh shit! I'm dropping.
Serge? Just keeps getting better. We have to get our own sauces?
Yes.
We look like homeless, just trying to... Look at this place. Look at the place. It's very pink, as you can tell. This place good? Is this place good? Yeah? Would you recommend it? Obviously I'm filming. Would you recommend this place? Yeah? You've been here many times? You've been here many times? Out of 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give this place?
Probably like a 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10? That good?
Pretty sure.
All right. We're gonna do a food review, okay? You're saying 9 out of 10. Hey, Sergio, you heard him, okay?
What do you say?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
9 out of 10, so we'll find out. All right.
Look into like a 9 or 8 out of 10.
Oh, okay. So now you want a little insurance, yeah? It's gonna be like an 8 minimum.
Yeah,
Could be a
if
9.
you're not like all into it, it will probably be into like an 8 out of 10
An 8 out of 10.
or a 9. Into those two numbers.
You a big Chargers fan?
Huh?
You a big Chargers fan? LA Chargers?
Yeah.
Really? Wow. You go to any of the games?
Maybe not one, but usually
One.
just watch all of them.
On the TV? Richard was right. This is like a, it's like an 8.5. I'll give it to him. Eight and a half. What else you got?
Me dijeron que a las 2. A las 2 de la mañana.
I really want more of those, bud.
Which one do you want?
Steak. Let's try one of these.
Oh, yeah, puerco.
Good one right there.
See if I get this. You guys scrub. Scrub. As you can see, we're still here. 5 o'clock. It's kind of cool right now, so the concrete's not really gonna set off, but we're gonna have to spend the night. We were trying to get out of here tonight, but we're gonna have to spend the night. Saw cut in the morning. Light tower is out. Let me show you guys. Jeez.
Take these boards out, or your dad doesn't want them out?
He wants him out.
Huh?
He wants him out.
Oh, he wants them out?
Yeah. Not gonna happen. We're stuck here. We're stuck here. We're stuck here because of the rain. We're stuck here because of the saw cutting. We're stuck here because the concrete will spald if we try to cut it tonight. So. Time is it? It's 6 o'clock. We're out of this piece after about 12 hours, 32 tacos.
Put this shit in here.
Why are you so upset?
Because I don't like the ice.
Why? Oh, I bought the ice. Anyways, this is the final. This is the final product. Look at it. See, this is why you buy a media mod. Look, comes with a light, better microphone.
Where's my hammer?
It's on the truck. So we're gonna spend the night. We're gonna go to the hotel, rest up, come back, saw cut in the morning because obviously we can't suck it right now. But that's it. Look, that's the finish. That's done. Done deal.
Where's the soft cut machine?
The what?
Soft cut machine, where is it?
It's gone. Stole. No, it's in the bin.
I think this mission accomplished. What do you think?
I want a ribeye.
You want a ribeye? Me too.
I want a ribeye now for staying. This day got better. Wait. This day got better.
Broke down.
Sergio's truck doesn't work now. Sign it.
What's the date today?
23rd.
It's the day before Christmas.
The day before Christmas Eve. Nothing even sounds. I feel numb now. And guess what? I still don't have any fuel.
What?
But my truck works.
Heater does not reach vehicle to the right. Vehicle doesn't even pull forward. Put a sound system on it, yes.
Oh. We need to go get gas. Next day. There. Choke. Starting, Dad. Come on, baby. Come on, little saw. Oh, there you go.
Nice holiday, everybody. Job is safe. See you guys Monday. All right, Daniel.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas.
Hey, Martin.
Be safe.
Merry Christmas.
Have fun. Enjoy.
Stay safe. Merry Christmas.
Enjoy your little party.